In this video, I'm going to explain how to use property tools in VR mode. The acronym VR stands for Virtual Reality. VR mode can be used when somebody wants to watch the property tour via a special headset which was made for this purpose. There are several cheaper models in which you can place your smartphone. You can also use well-known and more exclusive VR headsets like Oculus Rift or HTC Vive. Property tools are compatible with all of these. In order to view the tour in VR mode, click on the cogwheel, then choose the VR mode from the menu. If you click on VR mode, the tour will be displayed with the vr.webseta.hu address. Now you have two options. You can open the tour on your phone via the QR code, or you can copy the link extended with VR to your device. Whichever you choose, the screen appears on your smartphone, on which you have to choose VR mode. Click on the VR mode, and now the screen is divided. You can observe that the camera moves in the same direction as your head. You can also spot the small cross in the middle of the screen. Since there is no mouse use in VR mode, you can move forward if you keep the cross on the arrow for some moments. You can also use the floor plans in VR mode to navigate. If you move the cross to the chosen place, you can easily get there. If you want to navigate with the pictures, look down, keep your eyes on the gallery for a while, then you can choose the view you want. If you chose the view, move the little cross to the picture, and by this, you can jump to the chosen place. Just keep your eye on it, and you can move there immediately.